Hello and welcome back to Highwheel Woodworks. I'm Tim Eggers. One of the common questions that I get, because I'm kind of a fan of antique hand tools and so forth, is what's a bit brace for? Obviously for boring holes in something. I have quite a few of them. I don't use them real often. If I've got to make a hole, I'll put something in my drill press or a battery drill. But I did finally come up with a really good use for a bit brace. Right here. Make it a handle on your tool tote. Convenient as can be, easy way to tote your tools around. Plus it looks pretty cool and all that. So enjoy it. Make a bit brace for your handle on your tool tote. Leave some comments down below and let me know what you do with your bit brace.